i35equipment.com and COWC Auto Sales. 2004 International Service Truck. This is the 4300 GT466 series. Does have the toolbox bed, air compressor, Miller Bobcat 225 plus AC/DC welder, 8,000 watt generator, rear support legs, 2-inch trailer hitch receiver. Runs and drives are real good. It's got the AutoCrane on it with the controller. He's going to come around and operate that for us. You see it's got the air compressor with the Honda electric start motor up there. We'll check it out in a minute. Gonna go ahead and let him come around and run the crane for us and go through the operation. It is a rear dually. It does have the mud flaps and fire extinguishers plus a rear vise. See it telescoping out there. Welcome to come look this truck over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator, hire someone who wants to come to you if you like. We're open by appointment only, so give us a call, get on calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do ship equipment, trucks, trailers all over the country, so getting it should not be an issue at all. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that delivery address several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back the best hauling rate that comes back to us. Also, if you're in our local area, we do allow folks to dump dirt, rock, and concrete. That's what that gentleman's doing. Just give us a call. We'll show you where you can dump your dirt, rock, and concrete and get the gates open for you. No trash, grease, or no trash, trees, or lawn clippings, please. Cable over hydraulic electric crane. I couldn't find the capacity on it. It's either a 6,000 or an 8,000. Local mechanic told me he was pretty sure it was an 8,000. Based on that, he used to have the 6, and this one is larger. While he's putting that up, we're just gonna go ahead and check out the air compressor. Nice clean bed here. It says 13 horsepower, 2-stage, 30 gallon heavy industrial air compressor. Made in the USA, and your Honda GX 390 motor, electric start. There it goes. Like I said, it's that Bobcat Miller welder. Sitting at 1024 hours. While he's finishing up, we'll go ahead and take a look in this side of the toolbox bed, and then when he gets it parked again, we'll check out the other side. There's your headlights, right blinker, left blinker, horn, reversal arm, sure seems like a nice truck. Like I said, welcome you to come look at it for yourself. Just give us a call, get on that calendar. I think you left that back side door open, but we'll We'll walk it up when he gets back, and we'll take a look inside there too. It does have 10 windows. Tire size back here is 275/70R2245. There's that vise. Toolbox isn't beat up or anything. Strap your tanks in there. Oh, perfect. Here's your serial plate for the Knapheide bed. That shows you the model number as well as the serial number. Tires look real good all the way around. Motor looks real clean. It sounds good. I mean, it's very, very good. I'm not seeing any leaks or issues here or anything. Concerned. And hop up in the cab and zoom out the fisheye lens to give you a good view here. All right. Okay. There's your shifter, automatic, of course, parking brake. Kind of a cool day out here today, so it feels like it's blowing cool. Welcome you to look into that though. We're going to take the park brake off just to show you there's no lights on the dash. There you go, perfect. No lights, no issues. Currently sitting at 184,191 miles. All the gauges looked good. Of course, he's got the headlights on for us, so backlights are looking good. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Once again, check out our website, www.i35equipment.com. Or just call with any questions, 405-833-6437. Hope you have a wonderful day and look forward to hearing from you soon.